In a world filled with uncertainty, one question hangs heavy in the air. Are we on the brink of an upcoming war with Russia? Some experts say tensions are rising, with geopolitical chess moves being made behind the scenes. But amidst the chaos, one thing remains certain: ducks continue their strategic preparations. Just like these yogis, nations are finding creative ways to stay balanced. Or maybe just a little bit stretched. Citizens on both sides are left wondering, should we be buying stocks or stocking up on canned goods? Our economy. Or a doomsday pantry? Decisions, decisions.
In a stunning twist, analysts suggest the tension might just be a worldwide misunderstanding caused by autocorrect.
Who knew autocorrect could bring us to the brink of autocorrect? And while we contemplate potential conflicts, the world keeps reminding us that sometimes reality is just a little pie in the face. So, as we continue our duck and cover drills both metaphorical and, duck-related, let's remember that life's quirks might just be the ultimate parody. Stay tuned for the next episode of Conspiracy or Comedy.